Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market. I'm going to show you a 2020 Freightliner Coronado condo glider kit today. Got a 12.7 liter pre-emission Detroit 10-speed, about 280 on the clock. Got it hot this morning, so I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood. Full walk around on it. Let's get started. Engine's clean, steers are great. So it's a southern truck as well, so there's no rust. It's built with a factory built 12.7 liter Detroit. It's got new drives, all aluminum wheels, slider. Brakes are excellent as well. Back of the sleeper looks really good. Your running boards on both sides are in really good shape too. Take a look on the inside. Excellent seats, matching leather. It's got the chaparral interior, which I love on a Coronado. You go 279 on the clock. It's an operating temp. Fuel pressure is good. Super responsive. There you have it, guys. Hope you've enjoyed watching it. If you need something additional, you can always give me a call or text me, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.